channel. So in today's video, I am going to be making a squishy and cutting it open like these. Hold on. Like this. Has slime, it's water. I got these ideas from Carly HD. Follow her on Instagram, TikTok, and look, check her YouTube channel. Her name is Carly HD. That's her YouTube name thing. I'm gonna make a squishy like this, or like this one. See? So let's get on with the video. Woo! Okay. Let me get my paper bag. No, not paper bag. Well, a zippy bag. My slime. Basically just gonna put it inside. It's kind of like weird. Look at it. Yeah. Okay. So it's time to put it in though. Okay.
This is your idea of incognito?
Look at it. Okay, I gotta need the power. Hold on. I'll do a little bit at a time. Till I can't no more. That. Da. Do. I wanna tell you this thing. I wanna tell you something. I wanna tell you something. I wanna tell you something. I wanna tell you something.
You ready?
I'm not going first.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I went first last time.
You did.
Yes, I did. Dad, yes, I did.
Well, yours harder to cut anyway.
So?
15 minutes.
That's not fair.
Okay, guys. Got it. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Got it all in a zippy bag.
This is the new iPhone 12 Pro with 5G, and it's on AT&T, the fastest nationwide 5G network. Now new and existing customers can get our best deal.
Mom, AT&T has a deal for new and existing customers.
So what'd you say?
It's the wrong person. It's a guy named Carl. He's very excited on this one.
Word of mouth advertising. It's what they did before commercials.
I need some tape.
It's not complicated. Everyone
Hold
gets
on.
a deal, like the
Okay, guys, I got some tape. Trying to
I'm
squeeze
looking for
some
my friends.
slime
I was
down.
helping.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, man. Who are here? You don't trust me here in Vegas, do you?
Well, I thought we had a breakthrough with Volkswagen.
We did.
Yes, we were.
Hey.
That's the Volkswagen.
That's the crossboard.
Wow.
I just tape it.
And you hike as far away from it all as you possibly can. And find the craziest sky you've ever seen. And again, the hum of technology fall away.
I'll see when I'm done taping. Okay guys, so I'm done taping this. And it's so cool. It's like this one, but less tape. Well, we don't truth because it's going to go through the tape. Guys, it's not going through the tape. Yes, it works.
As Isaac Rochelle got home, and the coverage from Chris Harris for this team to the Flyers. Right there says it all. You gotta look.
I'm going to decorate it. Let me get the Sharpie.
Duran out of Kansas, who's missed much of this year with a foot injury. First round with the Chargers after 9 years in Denver.
I'm going to make it like, I'm not going to make it water. So I need some black or something.
Super healthy over the course of his career in Denver. And here's where we get the hold on.
I'm excited. Put some bubbles. Some bubbles. Okay. Put this back. That's my new one to my collection. Yes! Start making these. It's so cool. I need to hear it though. Too late. Look at that. Look at that! Yeah. It's all like messed up. I'm gonna throw it out soon. I'm gonna throw this one out soon. But look how it got like all messed up. But look at this one's still fine. So I'm gonna spend like
After everything our walls have been through the past few months, they deserve some thanks. They deserve Benjamin Moore.
look at this. Show you all of the ones I made so far. All of the ones I made so far.
Defender distance, decimals. My only
Hold on.
Click and play the season. Next Gen Stats powered by Amazon Web Services.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe. Like, subscribe. Bye!